Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance account. Find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, in here on your browser, it could be on your phone or your computer. Just go ahead over to the URL box and type in Binance.com. All right, that's it. And sign up right here using your email or phone number. But if you want to get 20% fee discount plus $100 bonus and fee, well, you can go ahead and go to the comment section below and just simply click on this link. All right, click on it or tap on it if you're using your phone. Now from here, instead of going to this section, you'll be landed to this page. All right, so what you'll do is just go ahead and enter your email or phone number, or you can go ahead and continue with Google, or if you have an Apple ID, click on it, or continue with Instagram. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this email and tick on by creating an account, I agree to Binance term of service. Hit on next. All right, and there will be a verification code that will be sent to your emailing service. All right, as you can see here, I've used Gmail, so go ahead and go to your Gmail account. I have the code in here. I'm just going to right click and hit on paste and hit on next. Now you can go ahead and add in your password. All right, for example, this one. And hit on next. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, it will say, welcome aboard, your account has been created, and a link to this referral ID. Just hit on next and you can now go ahead and open up your Binance account. Now from here, it will just need you to verify your identity. You can go ahead and use any document type right here. For example, an ID card, driver's license, passport, resident permit, just like so. Okay, just make sure to select the correct country or region. And once done, just hit on continue for you to access your Binance dashboard. All right, if you want to view your dashboard without verifying first, you can go ahead and close the tab and go back to Binance.com. And here you have it. Okay, well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.